Okay, and now I'm logged in, and everything is being loaded. Okay.
Okay.
Are you actually recording this?
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Okay, good, good. Okay, so this is the application. Okay, this is basically the entire application what they working on. I'm just going to open, the case.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the case notes because that's what we are interested. Okay.
Okay.
And don't worry about how I get to it. Okay, it's important actually that they will end up with certain certain things like this. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, they have a note. Now they have to enter this note. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what they're going to do, they're going to from drop down list. Okay. I just pick it up something. Okay.
Right,
For
right.
example, QC.
Okay.
Okay. But the note type that we want to create is RX type. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See, I put the note type and I add the edit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, as I add the edit, okay, you see this note actually opens up, right?
Right. Mm-hmm.
Okay. That note has to be hidden behind the screen, the custom screen that we want to do.
Okay.
Okay, with this 18 elements.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So if you this has to be basically behind the screen. Okay, this cannot be visible.
Mm-hmm.
Once you have that custom screen, you start typing all these elements.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and you hit save. Okay, once you hit the save, okay, those elements, okay, has to be entered right here into the message text box. Okay.
Okay.
So there will be, for example, let me see what I forgot what the type was, but let's say this
Product class and all that stuff, right?
Yeah, drug name is real anium. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then next one is pharmacy. Pharmacy name is my pharmacy. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The next one is
Product class and all that.
product class is triple M and etc. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, once you transfer into that, okay, that button has to be saved, okay, automatically. In other words, you don't expect the user to click this button. Not only that button has to be saved, but also this button has to be saved.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, don't ask me why. This is how they designed this application. It's stupid, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So that's how you basically, save the note. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
If you want to edit note, you highlight the note.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then you see this stuff here. Okay? As you notice, this one is saved by them.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
This is basically them. So when you edit,
Mm-hmm.
okay, here's what is happening. Another window shows up. This is the older node, and this is the new node.
Right.
So once again, you have to hide that. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Spawn another window, this custom one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Load these elements from the database. Okay? And allow the user to change them if the user wants to until the node is closed. You remember that closed open?
Right. Right.
Okay? If the case is closed, and not the node, but the case.
Mm-hmm.
If case is closed, they cannot actually edit that node. It stays as it is.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So here's what is happening. So let's say if I want to make the changes, then what you need to do is, for example, changed parameters or changed fields. okay, and then you put drug name, other drug, okay, and then again you automatically, when you close that note, the other one, you click that save button here and save button right here, okay, and then you see it. This is basically two notes, okay. So
Right.
basically, this goes into the application.
Right.
Okay, in addition to what we have, okay, in addition to what we have in the database. Okay, so these nodes are for the user so they can see it, but the database has also, things that, okay, we saved this, we got this, okay?
Okay. But Tom, I mean,
Alright.
so I think you said, I mean, I understand the way that it works right now, but I have a question here. So let's say that we do RX type, right? And once when we have the message, stored, the note stored, right? But I thought you told me that we're gonna stay out of the application boundary, right? So that is that we're gonna
Well,
create.
we staying out of the boundary, okay? What you do, okay, you're using the application. I mean, you're not modify the code, okay? But, these fields, for example, if I type the edit again here, let me type the edit. These fields are editable, okay?
Right.
This field is editable,
Right.
okay? I can, write whatever here.
No, I understand
Okay.
that. Okay, but when we do the edit screen, you don't want to see this screen at all, correct?
No, I don't want to. But listen, when you close the other one, okay, when you close the other window, this custom, you have to enter that information from the custom into that screen and click the save.
And you're saying that is possible with the screen scraper.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, because you're controlling basically the window.
Okay. 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 So,
Okay.
but when you
This
click
is
on.
the same way. Look, let me put it this way. You know those softwares that like a Timbuktu or controlling remotely? That's the same thing, okay?
Okay.
Instead of program, you have a mouse, but the mouse is on the other end.
Right.
And
Right.
it's controlling basically what mouse is clicking. So it's not the user anymore, okay, itself, but someone else.
Right.
Do this remotely.
Okay.
So that's the same thing, it's like almost like a recording a macro.
Okay. So when you click on the quality of care, right, under the note information, so whatever shows up in the left, right? So now we have the notes for Derek Williams, correct? So whatever we showing here, so you want that to be driven out of not from the application but from the new table that we create, correct?
That is correct. All the things, okay, such as my cases, no, not my, I'm sorry, not my cases, but I tell you which one. Hold on a second. Let me just, what is that drill? Here we go. All right, here we go. Now, case, patient,
Right.
patient name, and patient stats.
Right.
Okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements you have to capture from the screen, okay, and save this on our database.
Okay.
Also, I believe that this PMP, that's the user ID of the person who enters the information.
I see. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So those information always, because you have to do that, okay? And also, what you need to do, okay, if you add it, okay, when you add it, you have to make sure that the note type, okay, is proper, okay, and you select basically a proper note that you want to, if this and this is matching, okay, no, I wouldn't say, hold on a second, one more time, okay, if you want to add it, okay, you want to make sure that this note type is selected, this type of quality of care. I mean, this not will be quality of care, it's going to be RX type.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
But this will be a specific text. If that specific text is, let's say, RX type, then you're allowed basically to click this button.
Okay.
Okay? If not, then you don't actually do anything. Okay? Application will act upon itself.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Same thing if you wanted just to do new notes type. Okay? Let's say this new. All right? If this is not going to be anything else, okay, you're not going to do anything else.
Okay.
Okay? You understand?
Yeah,
right?
I understand. Okay. All right, Tom. I understand.
Okay.
Let me see if the recording is completed.